Welcome to my channel, I'm Gary Wiryawan, and this is just a quick announcement. I am starting a new video series called Picture Story and Review. In this video series, we'll share together our best pictures and we'll see it together in the videos, and then we'll share stories about it, as well as some of the techniques that we use to capture the camera, as well as the gear used and the camera settings that was used to capture that image. You can share photos of any photography genre, and you can share any image taken using any camera or any lens, even with smartphone. I hope that by having this video series, we'll be able to learn from each other, to share new things, to explore new things with our photography skills, and learn to become more creative together. Now you can submit your picture as well as the story and some text that are required for this video series in the picturestory.reviews/submit. Every video on this series, I will pick a few from your submission and I will combine it with my own submission too, so we can learn from each other. So that is all for today's announcement. I hope to see your submission soon, and I hope to see your picture getting featured on my video. Thank you and goodbye.